Why is Cash App not accepting my debit card? So if Cash App is not accepting your debit card whenever you're trying to log into your Cash App account or something like that, there could be a couple of reasons why this could be happening. The first is incorrect information. So the card number, expiration date, CVV code or billing address might be incorrect, or outdated information like your name, address or phone number on the Cash App account might also be out of date. Security concerns: Cash App might decline transaction if it detects potentially unauthorized activity on the account. A notification might ask the user to confirm if they recognize the declined transaction. Insufficient funds is also one of the reasons. It could be an expired card, a disabled account, or deactivated card or transaction networks might not support the transaction that Cash App uses to send funds instantly. So I hope that this video helped you understand as to why your Cash App might not be accepting debit cards. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.